Hello, wonderful people, all lovers of freedom all over the world. Welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you the news of freedom and nothing but the truth. If this is your first time of joining us on this channel, please go straight to subscribe to our channel, like and share, and also on your notification button so that whenever our news drop, you will be the first to collect it. Let's go into the news proper. Iwanyan urges Buhari to free Nnamdi Kanu before May 29th. Of course, you know that I brought to you the other time that after the death of Obiozo, the Ohaneze Ndi has been planning to bring another person who will replace Obiozo. Of course, you know that the mantle was on the side of the Imo, of which to say that someone else who is going to replace Obiozo is going to come from that particular end. And there was a little bit counter-motion on why Hope Uzodinma should present Iwayan. And some people were saying, why is Hope Uzodinjo? Why should he be the one to bring the people, the person that will lead the Ohaneze Ndi? But finally, Iwayan has been inaugurated as the one who is going to complete the tenure of Obiozo George. Now, look at what is happening. Iwanyan has gone to tell President Muhammadu Buhari to make sure that he release Nnamdi Kanu before May 29th. And I will applaud him for taking such a courageous step. Let's go into the news proper so you will have the full details of what Iwanyan told President Muhammadu Buhari. The Ohaneze Ndi worldwide got a new leader yesterday. Elder statesman Chief Emmanuel Iwanyan was ratified as the new President General. He will complete the tenure of Prof. George Obiozo, who took office on January 10, 2021, but died on December 26, 2022. Iwanyan vowed to work towards improving security in the region, stressing the urgent need for a peace summit. He urged President Muhammadu Buhari to release the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, before May 29th. The new leader of Ndibo believes Kanu is very crucial to any discussion and that negotiating any peace while he is in prison will be difficult. It is also important to note that the judiciary has discharged and freed Nnamdi Kanu. It will be the joy of many Igbo people and Nigerians to see Nnamdi Kanu released from detention. There is also a report that his health is deteriorating. I feel it is important he is released to have access to his medical doctors so that he does not die in prison, Iwanyan said. According to him, having carefully examined the circumstance of Ndibo, he would also focus on education, agriculture, and industrialization, electricity, power, and generation and health. The Ohaneze Ndi leader vowed to ensure that the Southeast gets an additional state, the region being the only region with 5 states. He said several political conferences have recommended the creation of additional states in the Southeast to bring the number to 6. So far, this has not been actualized. I will make sure that during my tenure, an additional state is created for the Southeast. Iwanyan described the event as a remarkable day in his life, noting that all his life he had done his best to serve both in times of war and of peace. He said he did not nurture the ambition to be the President General of Ohaneze. Instead, I had the ambition of becoming the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I contested for the presidency on 3 occasions, but I did not succeed. I took my losses in good composure, knowing full well that as a Christian, all powers and promotion comes from God. But today, yesterday, destiny has placed squarely on my shoulders the duty of leading the Igbos as the President General of Ohaneze Ndi worldwide. I therefore have a duty to valiantly defend Igbo cause, and I promise Ime Obi and all Igbo people that by the grace of God, I will not fail them, he said. Governors, Ifeanyi Iwanyanwu, Enugu State, and Chukwuma Soludo, Anambra, participated in the Ime Obi sitting of Ohaneze at the Old Government House Lodge in Enugu, where Iwanyanwu was presented and ratified as the new Igbo leader. Chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum, Ebonyi State Governor Dave Umahi, his Imo and Abia State counterparts Hope Uzodimma and Okezie Ikpeazu were represented by their deputies Kelechi Igwe, Prof. Placid Njoko, and Saude Okochukwu. Also at the event were Enugu Governor-elect Peter Mba, Labour Party presidential candidate in the February 25th election, Peter Obi, former governor of Anambra State, Chief Ikedi Ohahim, former President General of Ohaneze Ndi, led by Chief Nnamdi, former Minister of Health, Prof. ABC Nwosu, among others. Iwobi is the highest decision-making organ of Ohaneze. The 80-year-old politician was earlier this month presented to Uzodimma by a delegation of the Imo Elder Council as the census candidate to replace George Obiozo. My people, now don't see as it happen. I think this step is very encouraging, but I think let it not only end in West, because these politicians, in order to draw the attention of the people, because immediately some people mentioned the name of Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu to become the replacement of Obiozo, who died December 2022. Some people opposed that decision, saying that it is not in the hand of Hope Uzodimma to present someone, and that Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu is not qualified for that job, and they were saying that Joe Igbokwe should be the one to become the president of Ohaneze Ndi, of which did not work out, and at the end Iwanyanwu now is the President General of Ohaneze Ndi. But many people are saying something. What they are saying is that to me, I think this thing should not just end here, because politicians have their way. When they just assume office, they will try to draw the attention of the people, and at the end of everything, they might not be able to fulfill their promise. So I think the first thing Iwanyanwu should do is to make sure that Ohamadike 1 of Ndigbo comes out of the DSS detention. And you know that the health of Nnamdi Kanu is deteriorating, and nobody is doing anything. And another thing is that Ndigbo is sabotaging against themselves just because of power. See what Dave Umahi did the other time, because he wanted to become president, and he felt that the Northerners will support him, and he was very obedient to them. He was like their sacrificial cow. He was doing everything they wanted. He was doing all he could to make sure that he praised these people. But at the end of everything, they disappointed him. Now, the president himself, he did not even smell. Even the primary ticket, he did not even receive. And who now, you will think of who is deceiving who. So I'm wondering why the Ndigbos are becoming very foolish and selfish, because you wanted things to happen just for your own interest, because you wanted to become something, and you end up becoming a slave to the Northerners, which is very bad. Why is it that an Igbo man cannot stand up and make decisions? They are very afraid. Ndigbo are very afraid. Emmanuel Iwanyanwu has made this statement. We will be waiting to see whether he is going to push further to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is released from the DSS detention. Because most of them are thinking, if we talk, they will relieve us of our office. Look at about 5 governors, Southeastern governors. If 5 of them should come out and say that unless Nnamdi Kanu is released, there will be no peace in this nation. Not doing it in a violent way, but in a legal means. Put pressure. You will see that Nnamdi Kanu will be released. But the thing is that they will come in public and say something. They will even go behind and apologize to the Northerners and tell them, please forgive us. We are just doing this thing for just our people to think that we are doing something. But apparently they are not doing anything. It's very bad that an Igbo man cannot stand up and speak. An Igbo man cannot stand up and defend these people. Everybody knows that what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for is just for the betterment of the Igbos, because the Igbos are being marginalized. Look at what is happening in Lagos State now, where the Igbos are on fire. They burn down their market. Sometimes a common local government chairman will say that there will be no market. And billionaires, people of higher echelon, Igbos, great businessmen, you will lock them out of their market. You will lock them out of their business premises because you're a common local government chairman, because you are in your state and you feel that you have power in your state to do anything you want to do, which is very bad. My people, let me wind down the curtain here. If this is your first time of joining us on this channel, please go straight and hit the subscription button, the like button, the share button, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever our news enter, you will be the first to collect it. Remember that we love you on this Info News TV, and we'll continue to bring you nothing but the truth. God bless you for listening. Thank you.